Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this step-by-step CapCut tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make the camera shutter effect as a smooth transitions on your videos. So what you need to do is just add your photos or videos into CapCut like this, and then align it like this if you are using a CapCut PC. First in the main video and the rest on the overlay, and position it like this so it will appear one after another just like this. Next, what you need to do on the first overlay, you can just add a keyframe in here at the beginning of the second overlay. So click on the first overlay and then add a keyframe on the transform, and also at the beginning like this. Now move the clip to the top. So just move it up like this. So it will move just like that. And just repeat the same step for the next overlay. So after you do that, you can just select all your clips and then create a compound clip. And then find the motion blur options, this one. And here adjust the blur and the blend. So here the blur, I'm going to just go with 80 and the blend 20. Now it will be processing. You can just wait until it's done. So after the motion blur effect is done, now you can just find the sound effects. Click on audio, sound effects, and find the camera shutter sound effects. This one, for example, and then you can just align it with the transition. Okay. So just repeat the sound with the transition. And after that, it will be like this. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.